Hello, how are you all doing today? Happy Friday! Yes, so I would like you to enjoy your Friday, especially with your family. Go out, enjoy, have fun, go dining, talk to each other, and while you have them, maganda nga po yan sa inyo. At least you have with you your family around, no? As for me, I'm only alone here in America. I had only my fur babies and also my husband's, only us. So, but we have to make the most of it, di ba? We have to enjoy life, ganyan. Ano lang po, enjoy lang, di ba? So today, Lola V will be talking to you about my progress, no? The progress that I had gone through when I joined this venture, this opportunity in the online space. Marami po ang nangyari sa akin. Of course, first off is that I was able to become more comfortable, become more confident of talking to you right now. Before, I was talking only to my students in the four corners of my classroom. Now I'm talking to my phone actually. So I just think that I'm talking to myself, talking to my phone, instead that I have viewers, tons of viewers or millions, because this is in Facebook, right? So now I become more confident in talking or going live na ganito. Before, shy ang lola nyo, ayaw magsalita. And then I opened up a few of my personal things and also my daily routine. I opened up it also. So now I become more comfortable. So because this business entails that, no, the good thing that I love actually in this business is that it's always positive. You always smile. Walang negativity lang po dito. As long as you are not stepping on on any person's toes, so it's good, right? So ano lang po tayo, good vibes lang yan. So it's always good vibes. So that's the first thing, no? I became more confident, become more comfortable in talking live here with you, ganon. And then I learned a lot of new technology or yung mga new apps, yeah, in this business. Now I learned how to use CapCut, TikTok. TikTok is entertaining. I can dance, I can do mimicking, funny stuff, diba? So enjoy lang. You're smiling and you're enjoying life. So masaya lang. And then also, I learned how to post in YouTube also. Yun, marami, no? And then now there is AI. So if you are not comfortable writing in English, even in Filipinos, because there are in Filipino, any type of language, AI can do it now. You just say, oh, make me a text about this and that. This is what I want to say. And AI now, yung CapCut, no, it will tell you everything. You will have different choices, diba? Correct grammar pa, so walang pagkakamali. So yan, that's another thing that I've learned. Also, ano pa ba, marami, no? So in this business also, yung income, yeah, the income is superb. We are earning lucratively. How? Because in this business, you earn, for example, you get business partner, you get right away your commission, no? Yung commission, very lucrative siya. 1 day or 1 month sweldo ko sa teaching job, 1 day lang dito, di ba? So kumbaga yung 1 month na trinabaho ko in my teaching career, 1 day lang dito sa business. So I can rest the other days, ganon. Papetiks-petiks lang, ganyan. So ang kagandahan dito, everything is digital. We have that proven system. Yung proven system na yan, they're doing the heavy lifting, no? That's the good thing. So kaya yung part ko is only posting, ganyan, going to FB, telling you or sharing to you the opportunity in the online space na meron talagang totoo at legitimate na business in the online space. And that is this one, our digital business. Kaya I'm sharing it with you kung kayo po ay talagang, you are really looking for an extra income, another side hustle, consider this because it is really good. And I'm not saying that you have to quit your job. No, take take a peek of it for now. Maybe you can take a research of it, but this is really superb. It is good for your health and wellness. Yun ang product namin, health and wellness. It is really superb. Malalaman nyo yan. If you want to know, the first thing lang po na ginawa ko was to watch that webinar. From that webinar, it changes my life. It really made me join the business because this is really giving me that lifetime, yung passive residual income that is lifelong. Yeah. And you can pass this business. Do you know that? You can pass this business to your loved ones, to your wife, husband, to your siblings, to your children. That is the legacy that you can pass on. If you are earning already, there is a chance for you to earn lifetime dito. 5-figure, 6-figure, it's up to you. Of course, in every endeavor naman po, you really have to work hard, right? You really have to put your due diligence in it. You have to really be on top of it in order for it to grow. Because if you're not putting your effort on it, you are just motivated, you are just excuse me, you're just motivated, you're driven to do the business, you want to do the business, but you are not stepping up, right? You're not stepping up the plate. You are not rolling up your sleeves and be on top of it. So that is a huge difference. And another thing is consistency. That is the key to success po talaga. We have to be consistent every single day. Kita niyo naman yung mga nasa vlog, nasa YouTube, no, di ba? Those people that started from their humble beginnings and now they are really 6-7 figure incomers. So that is only a testimony na anong sinasabi nila, yeah, I went through really a lot. I went through hard difficulties. I went through everything. That's also here. Same is true here. Because if you are not going to really work hard for it, nothing will happen, iba? Wala namang hindi naman bibigay sa'yo ng Diyos, ibibigay, ayan, pumatak na ang pera sa mukha mo, ayan, sa harapan mo, mag-uulan ng pera. It doesn't work that way, diba? We really have to be on top of it. Ganun lang po yan dito sa business. Ganun din. But the good thing here is that you do it at your own time. You do it whenever you want it. You can do this you can do this wherever you are, and then the business will run for you. Because what we can do for you is there is a lot. We provide you the domain. We provide you the funnel. It's all inclusive. We provide you for your website. You know the website, how much is it right now to make your own website? You will spend thousands and thousands of dollars. But here, it's all inclusive. Yes. And we provide you the training, the webinar, the mastermind, strategies. Those are all inclusive, free yan. Yung mga webinar natin. You just have to plug in, mag-Zoom meeting ka, and then there is a strategy meeting. We will teach you how to do it. You will never be alone. That's another thing also, that in this business, you are never alone in the business. You have help. Immediately after you join and you become a distributor in this, a business partner, you are provided a free lifetime mentor and a coach. See, meron ka na agad tulong na mangyayari sa'yo. Itong gagawin mo. They will guide you all the way through every step of the way. What to do next, first, second, third, every step. We will teach you how to do the business. And that is free because that mentor of yours and your coach will teach you that. That is the good thing, right? So that's why I really love this business or this opportunity that I found in the online space. So that is it. A lot of learnings for me. I know now how to use different types of application. I know how to use AI. I know now how to post in different platforms: Facebook, TikTok, CapCut, and YouTube, yan. So a lot. Those are my media, my social media growth, yan. And of course, yung mga professional development. That's another thing. Mentally, you will not be stagnant, right? Mentally, you're still learning because we have the weekly mastermind every Wednesday. And then for the newbies, new business partner, we have that what we call core fundamentals every Tuesday and a Thursday. Then those newbies will be taught on how to do the business. People are sharing their best practices in here so that, and that is free. Yeah, that's free. In other entities, in other business, you pay for seminars, trainings, and webinars, right? Here, it's free. Yon. So you are not stagnant mentally. Your physical body, because of our product, will also be improved. And also, the good thing is your speaking prowess will also be improved. I wasn't this confident before, no? Of course, I make mistakes, a lot of mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, right? Especially when you talk, a lot of things that comes out in your mouth, there are mistakes. And it's okay. I don't care, right? So people make mistakes. It's just a natural thing. When you speak, you will commit mistakes. That ganun lang talaga yon. That's bottom line. We are not perfect. Nobody's perfect. So realize that. So kung nandito kayo sa business namin, mahihiya kayo, ay, mga manonood sa akin, kitignan nila ako, masasabihin nila ang pangit ako, ganyan, hindi ako marunong magsalita. Who cares? They are not giving you, they are not feeding you. They are not the one who is working hard to earn money for you and for your family, di ba? Ganun lang po yun. So, yung iba nga dyan, pag nakakita na may cheque ka na, ayan, kilala ka na, di ba? Yung mga kaibigan, or kilala ka na, alam mo na yan, nagpapahapyaw na yan, magme-message na yan, nag-hello na yan, nangangamusta na yan, right? So, okay lang naman, okay lang naman ang tumulong. I have nothing against it, tumulong. But then, tumulong. Tignan mo na, mali ng tumulong, di ba? Tama ba naman yun? Wala namang masamang tumulong. Pero, pag nakikita mo ng sinusunod-sunod ka na at sinusundan ka lang kung kailan ka meron, alam nila kung kailan ka iti-text or i-message, iba na po yun, di ba? So, let's work hard for ourselves. Ganyan. Huwag na tayo masyadong umasa sa iba. Kasi, pag nagtrabaho naman tayo dito sa business, di ba? Wala naman puhunan dito. Or wala ka naman malaking puhunan dito. You know, in our business, you can really start low. And you will become business owner right away. Low. Hindi ka magagastos dito ng millions and millions of pesos. Yan. Millions of dollars. No, hindi. So, it depends on you. So, yun. Kung magkano ang kaya mo, we will start. We will adjust. Kami yung mag-a-adjust sa inyo kung magkano lang at kaya nyo. Ganon. So, yan po. Nasa sa inyo na po yan ngayon. If you are really interested po, yan, watch that webinar. Talagang yan po ang nakapagpabago ng aking buhay. And now, you know what? I've reached the 5th milestone in this endeavor. And that is just in 2 years span. So, I did not get that in my teaching job. 36 years ako nagturo, di ba? But I would not want to discount the fact that I am really earning well in the teaching field. But however, I did not have that liberty na makapamasyal, makapag-travel, ganyan, makapiling ko yung asawa for baby ko all the time, ganon. So, I did not have the luxury of doing that before because I'm tied up doing my work. When I am in school, I teach, you do lesson planning, you do a lot of work. You teach, you pick up the students and then you teach them, and then there are a lot of paperwork, testing, meetings after meetings, paperwork, talaga naman ang paperwork is up here. And then, for 36 years, hindi ko ba na-achieve yung mga 5th milestone na ito, na you can earn yung 1 month salary mo, you can earn it here in 1 day. Diba? So, please, if you are really, really interested, ask me how, I will tell you exactly everything. How I did the business. I will not be very stingy to you. I will teach you how to become also successful in this business. All right, so message me and drop me a message right here now. Ask me how, and I'll tell you everything. Okay, bye for now.